So if you find this video helpful, follow us on Facegram. Maybe we should just use that other one. It is a forearm crutch on forearm. They have all kinds of, no, I'm getting way off kilter here. And this is what adjusts the platform. This is the awesome part about this as far.
Okay.
I just feel like I'm going off the rails here. So the Smart Cut. So the Smart Crutch adjusts for many different heights.
Oh my gosh.
That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, Oh! Are you kidding me? Oh! Adjust it! Adapt it! What are we talking about?
A whole nother website.